Welcome, Slot Car Nation. It is I, Stingray Johnny, and I am here today to show you a few really cool things. I have a tech tip or a trick or whatever you want to call it. I haven't done one of those in a while, but I did want to also show you this beautiful dash AC Cobra that I've been working on. I really love this car. I love the detail in it. It comes with, here, let me zoom out a little bit. It comes with so many different things. In fact, let me also, hang on one second. See, I'm never prepared for this stuff. Okay. It comes with everything. I mean, it's got a front bumper. It's got side pipes. It's got a back bumper. It's got a nice painted gas tank. It's got a roll bar, a driver. Obviously, it's got a windshield. It even has little visors. I really like the blue and silver. They do come in different colors. By the way, they come from Dash if you want to buy one. I might get a few more, but I just think this car is really nice looking, and I wanted to share it with you. I guess you should tell me what you think. Like, for instance, it does come with you can get it with white stripes. I think you can get it with black stripes. Tell me what you think about the the one with the blue with the silver. I think that's a really nice color. I think they got black with white stripes, black with silver stripes. They got white. You know what other one was really nice looking, I thought, was the white one with silver stripes. But again, you can get that with black stripes, or I'm not sure what other colors, but they have a lot of different colors. You can get them over at Dash. But there's something else I want to show you today. Now, sometimes, you'll get these old chassis, and obviously there's pieces missing here. And if the chassis is in good shape, if the plastic's okay, but say this metal is damaged, you can replace that. You can go to I'm debating if I actually want to take one out of here and just show them to you like this. You can go to, I think I'm just going to show them to you like this before they fall all over the place. You can go to Wizzard. Wizzard sells these little electronics pieces, and they will fit your T-jets. So they would, that would fit right on the bottom of this. And you might be saying to yourself or to me, Stingray Johnny, how am I going to put that on there? I don't have a riveter that can do that. Well, let me tell you something, my friends. You might not have one just yet, but you may have one soon. I'm going to zoom out a little more. Dash. I'm going to zoom out a little more. Dash. I can't even get it all in the picture. Dash is selling this. And this is a riveter to rivet those rivets. And you might be thinking, oh my God, what does that thing cost? $189? No. Guess what? I think this was I think it was either 40 or 45. Either way, 45 bucks. It's not plastic. It's like, I'm guessing, I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing it's aluminum. Because it's heavy, but it doesn't feel so heavy that I don't think it's steel. I think it's aluminum. Now, this might not work on all types of rivets. There are, like I have some of these other rivets from another company, and I haven't even tried this thing yet. I just got it in the mail today, but I think that this is going to be the answer to, oops, sorry about that, to fixing a lot of these chassis. And that's why I always tell you guys, don't ever throw anything away, because you just never know what you can possibly use. Now, obviously, geez, I hit my coffee cup again. Obviously, you're going to have to be really, really careful. You could take a little grinder, and you can grind away at that, or you could also take a really small drill. Honestly, I like the drill way, but whatever way you do it, you have to be careful, because obviously you don't want to damage this piece because it's good. Now you're saying, well, I wouldn't touch that piece, but you might, like this one's okay, but what if it wasn't? So, or see, there's a rivet here. I got to remove that rivet. And you just want to be really careful. What I would do is I would, find a drill bit that's a little bit, just a little, not totally bigger than that hole, but big enough to fit in that hole, and just drill that out a little bit, and just go really slow and see if, you can get that outside edge to pop off of there. And then you should be able to take it apart, and it should end up looking like this one, which is, I'll try to show it to you a little closer. It's nice and clean. It doesn't look like there's been any damage to it. And, you just take your time. I think, I'm trying to decide if I'd rather drill the outside or the inside. I think I'm kind of thinking the inside's a little smaller, and that might be easier. If I can't even remember how I did. I must have drilled this one. I think I drilled this one on the outside, because it looks like the inside. It looks like the inside is still in there. I think I actually drilled it from the outside, but you should be able to go either way. But like I said, this looks like there's a little bit more meat there. This one looks a little smaller, and obviously there's this one, and then there's this one right here. I'll probably show them one more time. So there's this one, this one, this one, and this one, and that does the whole bottom of the car. And yeah, I think I might try. I don't know. You know what? Whatever you think is easier for you. I mean, obviously, I did my other ones from the outside, and maybe I like that better way. I don't know, because it's a little tight. It's a little tight to get in here, although that's a smaller amount of material to get rid of. I think maybe I'd go from the outside and just be really, really careful with it, because again, you don't want to damage. You don't want to damage any metal that you don't want to damage, because usually it's just this part that's a mess. But again, I just think that Wizzard is awesome for making these, and again, they're like about $45, $45 on their website, and I really like this thing. I just think I haven't used it yet, but I think it's going to be really great. And you can adjust it. You can do an adjustment on it. Like I said, I didn't use it yet. I don't think you adjust it from the top. I'm not really sure. No, you adjust it from the bottom here. You loosen up this nut, and then you can unscrew the other part. I'm going to have a blast with this thing. I'm going to fix a lot of my cars that really need some work, because again, I have more of these. Anyways, my friends, that was my tech tip for today. This is my beautiful car for the day. I hope you enjoyed both, and I will talk to you soon. Oh, hey, before you go, please like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because you might have not known about that tool, and if you didn't subscribe, then you might not know about the next thing that comes along that I try to tell you about. So please, friends, like I said, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will try to get to everybody, because I always do. And I really appreciate the comments from all you guys that support me every day, because I know there's a bunch of you that are you're there for me every day. I appreciate that. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.